Good morning, again. I think we're running a little bit behind. I was saying earlier that I have done this for a long time, and seldom am I nervous to get up and do this, but they have me on a script with a timer, following some of the coolest products that I've ever seen, and just keeping me on a script and a timer alone is quite a chore. But the main reason is this is the largest number of new products that Klipsch Group has ever introduced. And the way that we started 2016 and what our goal was really the ability to transform a legendary audio brand to a tech and design-driven innovator. And if you come visit us, we are at, we're in the Central Hall at booth 10428. You will see what that transformation looks like. It's been a tremendous year for us, a lot of effort. And one of the things I think is very cool is that this is our 70th anniversary year. And in everything that we've tried to do, we've tried to honor what Paul based the company on in the first place. And I had the privilege of working with Paul for 6 years, and I don't ever forget that time with him. It's also my 25th anniversary year with Klipsch, and I can honestly say when I rolled into Las Vegas last night that 25 years has gone by so fast, it's staggering. So the first thing we did was we focused on delivering really design, access, and performance-driven products that are attainable and affordable by a much larger group of people than we've ever been able to do before. And we'll get into some of those things. That led us to integrate with new technologies. We've worked with designers on 3 continents. We're working with some of our manufacturing partners that we've had, some of them since nearly the beginning 70 years ago. And we really try to do things that the company's never considered doing before to get to where we are. However, the 4 design principles of the company right from the beginning were high efficiency, low distortion, flat frequency response, and wide dynamic range. So our engineers at and I think the picture's up on the screen now, is driven by acoustic excellence and powered by technology and design. But the engineers that we have know that anything that we do has to pass the test of, does this honor what the company was about from its origins? So to start with, this is our flagship. When we looked at new technology, we said, what are the 3 legs of our stool? One was Klipsch is first and foremost a high-performance audio brand, and we needed to make sure that high-resolution audio was first and foremost. There were a lot of people that were pushing us to get more deep into Bluetooth products or more deep into distributed audio like Play-Fi or All-Play. Our view was that we'll let a lot of people chase after that, but what we saw was a clear opportunity to deliver a high-resolution audio system, and that product is shipping right now. It is our Reference Premier HD Wireless. Klipsch was one of the founding members of the WISA Consortium, and we've been involved for nearly 5 years to make sure that we could deliver a product that had maximum flexibility and performance and stayed true to the original designs of the company. I can tell you that there are over 40 different configurations in this system, and whether it's just a 2.0 floor-standing speaker, this product is wireless. It's accessible through almost any technology. It has all the digital and analog ins and outs, and they have monoblock amplifiers on board. At $2,500, there is no product, no passive product that can come close to it in the market, and it's all done wirelessly, and it's high resolution. That was the foundation of our technology. Number 2 was in Bluetooth. We felt that for portability and affordability, Bluetooth had to be part of it, and we'll talk about some of the innovative products that we're using Bluetooth on, but we felt like that had to be one leg of the stool. The third leg of our stool will be DTS Play-Fi, and we will be showing 8 products at the booth, and I'll talk a minute about what we've done to create a true Klipsch ecosystem. So what's on the screen right now is one of the real innovative products that we've just launched. We'll have a series of 3 powered monitors. With these systems, they come right out of our reference product lineup. They are powered, they're Bluetooth accessible, they have phono preamp on board, they have digital and analog inputs. This product has been a huge hit around the world. It's simple, it's easy to use, And one of the things that we're focused on is with turntables. I don't know if anyone's aware, but last year, LPs represented more revenue than all streaming audio combined. First, people thought maybe it might be a fad. We think it's a trend that's going to be around for a long time, and we're trying to enable products that makes it easy for people to get back into that, and they don't have to buy an inexpensive system to do it, but they also don't have to break the bank. Again, I said we had 3 models, and they will start at $499, and they are shipping now. In the portable Bluetooth lineup, we'll ship 6 new models this year that will range from $149 to $399. And those products, one of the things that we're doing there, and particularly because it's our 70th anniversary year, what you'll see at the booth is both some real modern designs that fit Klipsch as we are today, but also you'll see some classic designs that are an absolute throwback to where the company came from and was founded. They're very unique. We've had a few people that have had a sneak peek of those products, and they're very much in demand. So we're excited about the Bluetooth offering as well. I think next, which is a big one for us, is on the Jamo side. We have 11 new Jamo digital products that will be introduced at the show. They are all powered. They are all Bluetooth enabled. They'll range from $49 to $499. One of the interesting things that we've done with that is we use the Design Center in Indianapolis, which is our Innovation and Technology Center. But we've also used designers around the world. The Danish DNA still runs through everything that we do. And the flagship product is based on the $20,000 a pair R909 floor standing speakers that were developed when we initially bought Jamo. And we think that that's going to be a huge hit, and we think it's going to be something that really changes the face of Jamo forever. Next up are sound bars. Klipsch has always had 1 or 2 sound bars in our lineup. We're introducing 4 new 2.1 sound bars, all of which will have HDMI, 2 of which will be Play-Fi platforms. We'll also introduce 1 3.1 theater bar that will be our flagship distributed audio platform. And again, I said we'll have 8 Play-Fi products at the booth. We are very serious about the soundbar business. One of the things that's important for us is if you look at the Bluetooth business, you look at the soundbar business, those businesses, each one individually, dwarf the size of what traditional audio has been. Now, we have a very strong traditional audio offering, but we're going to take that performance and Klipsch sound and be a much more full-line supplier than we have ever been before. Next is going to be on the outdoor side. The goal there was Klipsch wanted to change the experience people had in outdoor audio. We have 4 new 70-volt landscape products coming out that are fully horn-loaded with Tractrix horns, larger drivers for high performance, high impact. We'll have 2 smart DSP amplifiers that will go with them. These can easily be daisy changed. It's toolless install and design, and it truly will change the experience you have in the outdoor environment. Those are shipping in the spring. Not last, but nearly last, on the headphone front, we have 10 new models that we'll be showing. 6 are Bluetooth. We have 2 that are on-ear and over-ear. We have 2 neckband designs, and we have 2 new Bluetooth inner designs. The Klipsch goal was very simple. We already owned all the patents on comfort for in-ear, so we wanted to make sure that we expanded on that with comfort, performance, and now with a full line of products, the Klipsch brand can literally replace any brand that's on the market today. Last, and certainly not least, but I think most important and is kind of poignant for us, is it's our 70th anniversary. We have a limited number of 70th anniversary Klipsch horns and heresies. We built 70 pairs of heresies that will be available around the world and 35 sets of Klipsch horns. We've done some very unique things with finishes. There are special limited edition cabinets for the Klipsch horn. I believe that they are all spoken for. People have been going crazy for these products, and we think it's a definite nod to the founder of the company and what we all stand for today and kind of the reason that we're here. This is my most exciting time in the 25 years, and one of the things that I was thinking about when I was watching the 2 previous presentations is that we aren't in the video business, we're not in some of those businesses, but here's what we do have, and this is what premium high performance audio is about. It's about passion. When you add a premium system to anybody's, whether it's listening to music or it's video, it changes the experience people have in their homes forever. And when they have it for the first time, they want it all the time. The second thing that's important that we bring is it's one of the last great bastions of profitability in retail. That's what premium audio is about. And I think that when you can transport someone to a different place and time because of the sound that you provide, whether it's that special song and music or it's the experience they have when they're watching a movie at home, that's a reason to get up every day and do what you do. And when we're all struggling for profit every day, and when we can bring profit to retailers through the experience, the design, the products, the team you put on the field, it's an exciting time at Klipsch, and by far and away, we have the most new products, and we have made the most progress in taking a legendary company and brand, respecting what the founder wanted from the start, but transformed it into something that does not exist today in the industry. So we look forward to seeing everyone at our booth. We hope you share our vision, and I wish everyone a great CES.